supermarket freezer. First off, we will draw dimensions. Left and right, we have a length of 66 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and a height 34 inches tall. Left and right slide doors, and included are 5 removable baskets. Each basket will measure 11.5 inches in length, 23 inches in depth, by 6.5 inches in height. Measurements applied for each of the 5 baskets included. Interior dimensions, we have 47.25 inches in length. 47.25 inches length applies before the step, and with the step we have 59 inches. A depth of 24 inches and a height of 21 inches. 21 inches applies above the meter line, and before the meter line we have a height of 18 inches. Coming above the meter line will be an LED strip that runs along the edge. Measurements for the step, we have 12 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, by 10 inches in height. And included will be a scrape tool along with a key for the left and right slide door. Coming to the bottom will be the power switch, the indicator, along with the operational turn switch. 110 and 120 voltage plug. And located on the back will be the ETL NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.